Hi, this is David McCann for WebTNG. I've been using Laragon for local WordPress development for a while now. But what happens if you forget your WordPress user password? One way to recover it is to use the HeidiSQL database program that comes installed with Laragon. In this screencast, I want to walk through how to use that to change your password. The first thing you would do, click on your system tray, go to the Laragon icon, go to MySQL menu item, and then click HeidiSQL. Click Open, and on the left side, this is a list of all your databases. You may only have one WordPress database installed. For this example, though, I'm going to use this one for the code site. And when you click on your database on the left side, it shows you your tables on the right. Now, when you install WordPress, you choose a table prefix. By default, it's WP underscore. In this case, I've changed the prefix to be C underscore. So you'll have to, as we go along, remember to use the prefix that you specified when you installed WordPress. The users table is what has your password in it. Double click on that. Okay, and these are the fields for the user table. Now let's do a query. We go up here to the Query tab, and let's do a query. Select all from C users. Then we go to this button here to execute it. And you can see that there are two users, one named David and one named Clark, and these are the passwords. Now you could just click on it and think you could change it right there, but these are encrypted and so it won't work just changing the passwords directly. What we're going to want to do instead is run a script that includes a function to encrypt the user password. So I've prepared a SQL script here, which I'm going to paste in. Okay, and what it's doing here, I have it update. This is WP for the default, but I'll change that to match the table. Update C user, set user password, and this is the SQL function for encrypt with MD5. And this is the unencrypted password here, just a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, since it's just local development, where user login equals David. That's this one here. Okay, so again, let's go and execute that. We see on the bottom that it affected one row, so it worked. There would be an error there if it didn't work. Okay, so now let's go back. This is the WordPress site, and we'll log in. This is David. My browser remembering my password. I'm going to type it in there and log in, and it worked. Now, once you've managed to log back in, you want to go back to your profile and change your password to something more secure, especially if you're going to later push this site to production. You want to be sure to have a secure password. Anyway, that's how simple it is. And on my website, I'll have the text version for those steps and the SQL scripts if you want to copy them. Hope you find this helpful. Thank you.